Hey folks, Amy here. Yes, I'm back. We are back on the air. We are back broadcasting. My other channel's up and running. It's doing fine. I have some very special news that I wanted to share with everybody. And besides, I couldn't leave you all behind for very long because I love you. You know, it's just the way it is, right? But I have a really dear friend in LA, and he is a fabulous musician, and I can't wait for you to start learning about him. But he has graciously allowed me to use any of his music off his albums. Yeah, he has albums. Go figure, right? He's graciously allowed me to play little bits of here and there and use his music on this channel and on my other channel. He's been my friend for over 10 years. His music is rock and roll, definitely rock and roll, and he has a few of his songs actually in some motion pictures. So I'm just thrilled that at his whole career I've been following him for a long time. I'm his number one fan. I'll tell you that because I tell him that every time I talk to him, and I make him listen to me because he's like one of my best friends in the whole world, right? So, anyway, stay tuned. And the next video that comes up, I want you to hear some of his music and enjoy it. Trust me, enjoy it because there's going to be a lot more where that came from. And I am super thrilled. And for you, my friend, I know you're probably watching, right? And I'll give you all a hint. His name's Terry. Thank you, Terry. I think you're an amazing guitarist, amazing person, and you have the most beautiful soul ever because what you're doing for me is just wow. I appreciate you so much. All right, folks, anyways, I got to go and get some stuff, together and like get all my ducks in a row. Well, I only have chickens, but you know what I mean, right? So I'm going to go and get some stuff ready, but yes, I hope you come back for the next video and the very next one, we're going to have a sample of how this man can play guitar, and we are just going to have us a rocking good time for sure.
First, I'm gonna start by the whiskey store. I'm gonna buy me a jug of wine. First, I'm gonna start by the whiskey store. I'm gonna buy me a jug of wine. I'll be looking for my baby. Yeah, she's on my mind. Look out! Yeah, it's soon in the morning when I go rolling into Jackson Town. Yeah, it's soon in the morning when I go rolling into Jackson, Mississippi town. Yeah, I'll be looking for my baby. Yeah, she can't be found. Yeah, Marina, my sweet woman. Yeah, she stays on my mind. Marina, my sweet woman. Yeah, she stays on my mind. If I can't find that woman, I'm gonna set
right. Peace out. Be good to one another. And remember, keep your moonshine on. Don't you ever give up. Not for love nor money or nobody. Never give up.